name is Cassandra Bayuritama and my friend.
Hello guys, my name is Najwa Nasbia.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Let's ask local. How many languages do Indonesian people speak?
yeah. That's a lot. Like I'm from West Java, and then I am Sundanese, and then I speak my local language, which is Sundanese, and then we have language. I like Indonesia language, and then also with Balinese, they have their own language, which is that not even speak Balinese. I like don't understand Balinese, and then there are like so many Indonesia local language.
Guys, but saying so many language many equals as minus 711 language, which make Indonesia rank number 2 among the top 10 most multilingual countries. But why does Indonesia have so many language? Well, Indonesia is home to Indonesia has so many language, hundreds of language mainly due to its unique geographic and historical background. With over 177 islands, many communities developed in isolation is cultivating their own language. Additionally, the historic kingdom and empire that one from the different part of Indonesia interacting their own language as well. Besides that, the strategic location of Indonesia of any trade route, like the maritime Silk Road, also signifies told its linguistic differences. Indonesia also has that easily speech island Maluku become melting pot of cultural and linguistic exchange. Tender from around the world including Arab Mexican, Chinese settlers, and European colonies brought their language with them over them, diasporic language mixed with local dialects. Arranging Indonesia linguistic landscape, for example, many Indonesian languages today still include that vocabulary from the colonial period like this. Data vocabulary, translating, knalpot, literally translate word main pot, now it's paper or pot, and which is when the car is in use, your now is make a bound sound.
The Indonesian language family. Indonesian language family language are primarily divided into two families, Austronesian and non-Austronesian. The Austronesian language like Javanese and Balinese. Some original language like Javanese and Balinese retain their unique wording system. The script are intricate work of art. They are still used today for cultural and religious ceremonies. Linking to Indonesian racist stories and heritage, as spoken by millions and having words tracking back to Taiwan, featuring similar structure and vocabularies. In contrast, the North Austronesian language found most in remote eastern Indonesia like Papua, vary greatly even within small region. Oh yeah, and the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity reaches its cultural identity and boosts tourism. Traditional ceremonies and performance are deeply intertwined with local language, adding depth and meaning to cultural expression. We can see that from Javanese, wayang puppet theater, and Balinese kecak dance. However, imagine if Indonesian member family, but each member spoke a different language thing. How would they communicate and unite? After gaining independence from the Netherlands in 1945, Indonesian recognized the need for a uniform language. They chose was Bahasa Indonesia, a variant of Malay chosen for its naturally and widespread used as a lingua franca throughout the archipelago. Bahasa Indonesia is the key. Is the official language for government, school, names, and everything. Think of it as the national translation app. This strategic dedication has helped to promote national unity and reduce tension. Nowadays, Indonesian is spoken by over 94% of the population, but is preferred language of only 20% of the population. Javanese or Java is the most common primary language spoken by over 15% of the population. So, if you love Indonesia or are curious about language that unites the West Island Kingdoms, click the link in the description to get a free trial of the Indonesian course and start learning today. I'll see you in the next video.